Friends, just look at these photos, it looks amazing, and the most important thing is that it looks so realistic that we can add our face in it. So hello everyone, welcome back to us again. Friends, they are going to learn how to create a viral wings back image with the help of Creator. Friends, one more thing, which color to keep for better results, I have told in the video, so don't skip it, because then the results of your photos will not be so good. And you will say it's too old. First of all, you have to open the bank application. Now go to apps and you will find a tool called Image Create. So click on it, then click on Join and Create Now. You have to log into the Microsoft account using Gmail or number. Now you have to add the promotion above, which I will provide you in the description box. You will find the form link, so you have to copy the prompt like this and paste it here, and after making some changes I will tell you later how to get the best results. So the images like this have been created, which seems to be quite correct. You have to click on the 3 dots to download every. Now it's time to make some changes. We will change the color of the font on the back, and we will know which one will be the best. So here we read one more thing. When you change the color of the font, then you have to change the color itself. So here we will keep maroon color instead of hunter green. You can write the first letter of your name instead of V in the font. Great. For this I got some results that were not very special. Then I changed the bone color to blue here and the font color to Skype New. Now looking at the results, these results are amazing. All the photos look amazing up this color. You can try the combination of blue and sky blue. You can try purple on it, as you have seen in the thumbnail. Purple is written in the font color and dark purple in the hoodie color. I don't get it, so please change it a little bit. I am very impressed with the result. If you like it, please comment. I will try something different. So I've also added purple song blue in the phone color. Let's see the results now. These results are very interesting. So beautiful, man. And this time we put a line in place of the eagle. It turned out to be quite a wonderful photo, man. It was fun. Keep taking note of the changes you are making. You can try it, friends. You will get such results which are not so special. So you must write sulfur, which you can also get these best results. Friends, to change your face, go to Up Remaker AI and select the photo you have generated. Then place your photo in the target photo and swipe up. You will get a photo along with your face. How did you like the video? Make sure to comment and share the video. Like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video.